1, 2, 3.
Today is the grand reopening of the renovated Tysons-Pimmit Regional Library, and it is very exciting for us. It's been closed for about 18 months. Not only is there expanded areas for children and teen, but the bones of the library are beautifully shown. There's wonderful lighting in the new space, lots of books, of course, and some really exciting tech demos. When we renovated the library, we got it down to the studs and then we rebuilt it from the inside. If you walk into the Tysons Library, you'll probably think, oh, the shape isn't that different, but a lot of the interior pieces are. There's an expanded children's area. It's got nice low shelving so that if you're a parent, you can easily see over and find your children. It has a nice wide open space for story time and programming, and it's got these really lovely delineators, so you can tell when you walk in that it's a children's space by the color of the carpet and the squishiness of the furniture, and of course the types of materials there that are waiting. We have an entirely new teen section, so when you walk over there you'll see shelves that are filled with young adult novels, but you'll also see, very similar to our renovated Pohick library, a teen gaming center, although this one is double-sided. So you've got easy seating on both sides, PS4 and Xbox One, and eventually a Nintendo Switch as well, for playing both here and wirelessly. We have lovely, lovely lighting in this space. The prior library had this wonderful kind of pyramid-shaped roof, and it's got glass blocks all the way around, and they've been cleaned and buffed, and there's more windows all the way around, so much so that we added sails to the ceiling so that when you walk in you're not blasted by glaring light. Instead you have this wonderful diffuse lighting that comes through. We have extra technology in the new space. Not only is it just embedded in our library, we have Wi-Fi and public computers, but it's in the early literacy gaming station in the children's section. It's in the teen gaming in the teen area. If you come and use our meeting rooms, we have double-sided screens with We Present software, so you don't have to hook up cables anymore. You can just cast to the screen in there. Not only can you have a renovated building, you want to have a renovated collection. So the library put in an additional $300,000 for an opening day collection so that we've got lots of lovely new titles, and the Friends of the Tysons-Pimmit Library put in $30,000 as well. So when you come in, if you can't find a book to read, you just need to talk to a librarian. They'd be happy to help you find a good one. Here for the grand opening celebration, we have a story time planned, we have some other programs, we have tech demos, but the next time you visit your Tysons-Pimmit Library, be sure and check out all the wonderful programs we have for all ages: baby and toddler story times, teen tech programming, programs for adults. There's wonderful options for every age level.